Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival, and so today I just wanted to do a quick video just to introduce a thought, an idea. I don't know if it's really going to be or would be that effective, but we're getting ready to move, from Wyoming to Indianapolis, and so we got to go through Kansas City, St. Louis, and that kind of stuff, or Omaha, and especially St. Louis. There's been a lot of riots and protesters blocking the streets and all that kind of stuff. And so since we're going to be pulling trailers and all that kind of stuff, I was a little concerned about that. I don't want to have to deal with it. And so I thought, well, maybe if I get some like high output horns, then that may help. If we did get inundated by a crowd, that may help push people back a little bit just for a second, just to give us some time to go. Not that it's going to stop the protests or keep people away or anything like that, because it's not that loud, but they're pretty loud. And so I'll just show you here real quick. I don't know if it'll translate on video. It's pretty loud. It's considerably louder than the stock horn. We'll put it that way. And the one I got was from O'Reilly. I got this Big Bad Max. I don't know. It was like, it's an air horn. It's got a little compressor and then an air tube here, and I've got it wired into my my stock switch, so I can use it anytime. And then I got this other one, which is the Ooga horn. It was real cheap. It was from Harbor Freight, but I think it sounds pretty good, and I don't know if it'll help or not, but maybe it will. I don't know. My son also has an air horn on his truck, and so we'll kind of be convoying together, and we'll put my wife's car in the middle, and whatever we have to do, we'll do. While I was in here, I went ahead and decided to go ahead and throw on the 20-inch Nightlight LED bar, and I just basically made my own little bracket here. I don't know if you can see it. It's just one of those pieces of square tubing and a piece of flat bar, and then mounted it up, and it's pretty bright. I don't think it's going to help necessarily with protests or anything like that, but kind of show you. The Nightlights are really solidly built. I don't know how well that translates, but it's bright. They're really solidly built, and I've been pretty impressed with them. That's actually the one that I had on my solar work cart back there. I've got another one, and I'm gonna end up putting it back on. I think I'm gonna build a trailer. But anyhow, just an idea for you guys. Maybe putting on a louder horn could potentially help. I don't really know for sure, but might be possible. The EMP shield is still going strong on here. And as you guys know, there'll be a link down in the description below if you want to get your vehicle EMP proofed, so that you don't have to worry about that. An EMP stopping your vehicle, then you can put those on. I think they're about $350, and if you use the link in the description, it'll save you $50, or you can use the code Reality Survival. So anyway, guys, just a real fast video, throwing out an idea on a way that might help push protesters or give you just a couple of seconds of reprieve if you have a really loud horn. Don't know if it'll work or not, but anyhow, stay safe, guys, and don't forget, proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Take care, guys.